journey. It's been a long time since I've danced like that. You think our journey would actually end there? I'm sweating like a pregnant nun. So there's a hypothetical dimension. Unlike all the fact-based facts dimensions that we've shared with you tonight. Hypothetical dimension, dimension 0. Now dimension 0 could be just nothing. The actual existence of nothing is something. I think I'm going to have cardiac arrest. The other possibility is that dimension 10 becomes dimension 0, so that everything is nothing, and nothing is everything. As we've been told for thousands of years. And another option is, it just doesn't exist. And we're not sure, are we?
We've never been there.
We've never been there. But what's important from the journey we're taking on today is that the universe alone, if you just use Euclidean physics and Newtonian ideas, is really big. When you start applying the laws of 10D physics, it becomes immeasurable, unimaginable. Remember, every when exists as a place, in the same way that every where does. And so our little lives are about our perception. We are just a little consciousness. If two things can happen, we only experience one of them. Our consciousness is who we are. Which is quite touching, because it's about the places that you go. The people that you meet on that journey. The effects that you have and the good deeds that you do. And just to put it into perspective for you, we've got a little story in it. It goes something like this. Once upon a time, there was a huge rainstorm, and all the millions upon millions of raindrops were falling down to God's green earth. And as they were falling, one of the raindrops, it turned to its neighbour and it said, "Look how shapely I am. Look how beautiful I am. I am, without a shadow of a doubt, the most beautiful raindrop in the sky." And the second raindrop looked at this first raindrop. "You're very shapely. You're very beautiful. But I am the biggest raindrop in the sky. My bigness makes me the most beautiful raindrop." They started arguing, bickering, denouncing each other and declaring each other as the most beautiful. And to try and solve their problem, they turned to a third raindrop. And the third raindrop said, "Why, you are very, very shapely. Very, very beautiful. Whereas you are large and strong and muscular. But unfortunately, you have picked up Sahara, and you smoke from Sheffield. Whereas I am pure H2O. My Zen-like purity makes me the most beautiful raindrop in the heavens." And the two other raindrops looked at each other, turned to the third raindrop and said, and they were just about to start arguing, when all three splashed into a puddle and joined together as one. Thank you very much and good night, ladies and gentlemen.